haven't always been a fan of mashed potatoes. In fact, they landed on my Things Sanne Doesn't Eat list more than once earlier in life. But then I met Steve, and more importantly in this context, Steve's mind-blowing holiday mash. First, you peel the potatoes and cut them into halves or quarters of approximately even size. Place the potatoes in a large pot of salted water and bring to a boil. Cook for 20 to 25 minutes until the potatoes are tender. While the potatoes are boiling, chop the garlic finely with a little bit of salt. Heat the bacon fat in a small skillet over medium-low heat. Add the garlic and saute gently until golden. Be careful not to burn the garlic. Add the butter to the skillet and let it melt over low heat. Drain the potatoes. Now it's time to start mashing. Use a potato masher and be careful not to overwork the mashed potatoes, as this can result in a sticky, gluey texture rather than the light and fluffy texture that we are after. Add the melted butter and the sauteed garlic. We're done with the potato masher, and from now on, we're only using a spatula to fold in the rest of the ingredients. Add more butter if needed. Add heavy cream. Add the grated Parmesan cheese. Now it's time to taste the mash. Add more salt, butter, cream, or Parmesan if needed. Yum, now it's perfect. Transfer the mashed potatoes to a casserole dish or a baking dish and smooth the top. Mix equal parts of grated Parmesan cheese and panko breadcrumbs in a bowl. This is for the crust. Evenly sprinkle the Parmesan panko mixture over the top of the mash. Bake in a preheated oven at 350 degrees for 30 to 40 minutes or until the crust is golden brown and crisp. The holiday mash has about 1 million calories, so Steve only makes it twice a year, for Thanksgiving and for Christmas. In addition to turkey, it goes really well with prime rib and steak. It's the best mash I've ever tasted, and I could eat it all year round.